Hello people. All right, welcome to my August budget stuffing. Today we are stuffing $1,100, actually $1,120 to be exact. So we're gonna count it out and get started. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400. We'll put this to the side for now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. All right, so then we'll bring this back, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 1,100, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 1,120. So we will put this up and start stuffing. Okay, so as usual, we will start with our cash envelopes. I have spent everything in every category. I have nothing left. So we're starting fresh. So for food, we're gonna do 400. So I did 450 the last couple of months, but I'm gonna try to bring it down because I think despite the fact that the price of food has gone up significantly, I think $100 a week should suffice. So that's what we're gonna try to do. So we'll take 200 here, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 3, 4. Beauty is gonna get 50 bucks. I don't think I have anything pressing, but you know, there's always something that comes up. Fashion is going to get $60. So we'll take 20, 40, 60. Fun is going to get 200. So we will do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, yeah, 200. We'll do it like that. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200. Household is getting $40. So we will do a 20, a 10, and 2 5s. So 20, 30, 35, 40. Miscellaneous is getting $40. We'll have 20. Yeah. Trying to figure out how I want to divvy this up. I'm gonna go. Yeah, you know what? That's what we'll do. We'll do 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. you know, miscellaneous, you never know what that's gonna be. So I sometimes need smaller bills just to cover little random stuff. Okay, so Starbucks, I put here that it's getting nothing. I actually gave it $25, but it goes into my app automatically, so I don't want to put it in cash here because then it's going to throw my count off. But I did give myself $25 that I deducted from my overall budget. So that is it for my cash envelopes for August. I'm going to try to cut down on some of my spending. It's just been, I don't know, just kind of weird times, you know, with the price of everything just going up so much. So I'm trying to reduce things where I can. So anywho, let's move on to my sinking funds. Alrighty, so annuals, I have $105 in there currently, and I'm adding 60. So 20, 40, 60. So we should have 165. So we have the 60, 80, 100, 150, 165. I think something's coming up. I'm not sure what, but like the fall is a time where a lot of my stuff is coming. So I have to probably start stuffing a little bit more in my annuals because something's coming. Car, I am tapped out. I spent 90, what was it? 91.42 the last time I got gas. So yeah. Yeah, so the good news is I only get gas about once every other month because I'm in Manhattan, so I do a lot of walking and sometimes taking the train. So I don't drive that much. But if I was one of those people who had to drive a lot or drive far distances, I don't know, I might be homeless, y'all, because the gas is just crazy. But anyway, so $100, that's it for car. Emergency has $250 in it. I don't need, I need to update that. I don't need to add anything because I figure $250 is okay for my emergency fund. If I have just a surplus of money, then I will add to it. But that is not the case for now. So yeah, we're going to leave that at $250. All right, so gifts, I have $54 in there. I'm going to add 70. So we will take 20, 40, 60, 70. And with my 54 in there, I should have 124 after it's all said and done. So let's see, we have 50. Oops, let's get this together. 50, 70, 90, 110. 120, 124. Yeah, there's some birthdays coming up too, so I'm gonna have to increase this as well. And travel, I have $50 in there, and I'm going to add $100 for a total of $150. I don't have any trips coming. At least not that I know of. So that should be good. And that is it. So we will move on to our challenge. And yeah. Okay. This week we have $90. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. All right, so I think it's time to consolidate. Let's move that. So we'll take this out. And we're gonna add another $500 placeholder. So we will take out 100, 200, 300, and we'll take out some 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. All right, you know what? We're gonna try to break this down a little bit more because we will put 100 back and take out another set of 20s just to make it a little smaller. And maybe, you know what? We'll do 2 10s and 4 20s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we will add this here. We may have to break this down a little bit more. Let me see. All right, so this should be $500. So we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. Yep. All right. I wonder. Yeah, all right. That'll do for now. All right, and we will put this back in here. And we may have to do another one. We're okay. All right, so that is it for my August cash stuffing. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.